Okay, I'm going to do a little review on Royalty Soaps. I ordered this package in the mail on Sunday and today is Thursday, so that's pretty quick. So let's open it up. Alright, let's take a look and see what's inside. I ordered 3 soaps from her Secret Soap series and 1 from her book series. We have the receipt. Alright, let's look at this first one. This is Steampunk Meadows. I'll open it up and give it a whiff in just a minute, but this is what it looks like on the inside. This one is called The Little Princess. I had to get this one because The Little Princess was one of my favorite books when I was younger. And the inside is very impressive. This one is The Ghibli Treasure. Oh, I got an end piece. The Secret Soap series focused on the Ghibli movies, and I've seen a few of them, and this is what it looks like on the inside. The description said it smells like mangoes and raspberries, so I thought it would be a really fun scent to try out. I also like the pretty gems on top. And this one is Ocean Flight. I thought the clouds and the red airplane were really cute, and I was really intrigued by the description of the fragrance. So I think I'm going to open them all and see what they smell like. Okay, I don't know if you'd be interested in this, but the measurement of this flat top is 3 inches high. Well, so if you compare the flat tops are actually wider than the high tops. High tops are about 4.5 inches tall, and they're both 1 inch thick. All right, this is the way I see it. This is the apocalypse. This is the bride of Christ. This is the rapture. That's your treasure in heaven. Right there, you got the gospel right here on these 4 soaps. All right, I went ahead and opened them. I'll just put the ones that I'm not using in a bag. But look how pretty these are. I didn't realize that this had the smell of rose petals until I looked at the review, and I was like, yep, I definitely smell the rose in there. It smells beautiful. Now, The Little Princess, I could not put my finger on what exactly I was smelling, but it has a mix of strawberry, apple, basil, geranium. It smells really good. It's not that strong though. Steampunk Meadows. It's really hard to describe these scents because there's so many things in them. I think what I smell the most is the melon. This is a very sophisticated scent. It has a musky, earthy smell, and I really like it. Ghibli Treasure. Now this one is fruity, but it smells sort of like candy. I can smell the black cherry coming through, the raspberry, a little bit of the mango. It's very sweet and tart, so if you like that, this one's a good one. Out of these 4, I think that this one is the most complex, and this one is the prettiest, and this one has the cleanest, freshest scent. Before I ordered from Royalty Soaps, I was curious about how well the soap lathered, and so I looked at some reviews and they didn't really show it. I know there's a video that Katie shows it, but I thought I would just lather up this one. I don't have a problem with the soaps drying out my skin. I mean, they do leave you clean, squeaky clean, but they don't tend to dry you out. And actually, the longer the soap cures, the more gentle it seems to be on the skin. Plus it has olive oil and coconut oil. And if you're curious about the water, well, it might leave it a little pink, but it'll wash away pretty quickly. I still have some of this from a previous order, so I thought I would go ahead and just talk about it. It's a perfume oil and it's really light. It absorbs pretty quickly. It smells really clean. I guess it sort of smells like laundry. It doesn't last very long. You can put it on and the scent will go away in about an hour. I've also tried her lotion from a previous order. It has grapeseed oil and coconut oil in it, and it's a nice smooth emollient type lotion. It absorbs pretty quickly, makes your skin really soft. This one has a light orangey type fragrance. I guess that's why they call it Blood Moon, because it's supposed to smell like a blood orange. I have tried a lot of different soaps from Royalty Soaps, and my husband always says, why do you buy soaps when you can make soap now? But it's because these are really creative and they smell great and they're beautiful. And pretty darn clever, if you ask me. And after you shower, it'll smell up your bathroom with a wonderful fragrance. My favorite has been this eucalyptus spearmint. And you know, Royalty Soaps has inspired me to make my own soap. This is Katie's, and that is my version. Not as good, but hey, this is her champagne soap, and I tried it, and this is mine. Not bad. And she did the watermelon soap. I thought, well, let's try that one. And right there is my version. So anyway, great job, Royalty Soaps. And for anyone who happens to watch this video, which may not be anybody, peace out.